What's up, YouTubers? It's Amy once again. I'm just doing this for fun. I just came up with this melody in my head about rapping. You know, like Nicki Minaj does. Well, I'm not a rapper. I will fair warn you, I'm not a rapper. But I think the lyrics are really funny. I wrote these, and I also think they're kind of cool. But y'all just, bash me however you want. I don't care. Just let me know what you think about the lyrics, because they're kind of funny. So yeah. So kind of goes something like this. Y'all should already know my name. Get ready, bitch. I'm making my own fame. I want to get nasty with J. Derulo. Damn, I might as well end up like Miss J-Lo. Stage light, present my name. Watch out, boys. I got a lot of game. Soon everybody will be singing my name, cause I'm making my own fame. There's critics everywhere. I don't give a shit, cause they probably not wearing any underwear. I don't care what they say, what they do, what they say. They go ahead and make it up anyway. I'm a girl who's got a lot of fight, cause I can do it every day and every night. Don't mess with me, don't mess with my popularity, cause I got it all inside my mind, yo. Anyway, I hope y'all get, I'm wearing, 3D glasses on. They don't look like sunglasses, but I'm gonna get the rapper feeling going. So, yes, let me know what y'all guys think about that. I thought that was really funny. I'm just doing this because it's fun and it's funny and all that shit. So yeah, let me guys know what you want. Sorry, not what you want. What y'all think about the small rap? You go ahead and bash me on how bad I am and all that stuff, but yeah, I'm writing my name in the sky every night, cause I do it in ink. It may not make any sense, but it's still funny. I think it's fun. So yeah.